Hey, HTMLers, it's Bruce here, and I'm kind of excited because yesterday in my remote class where we meet on Zoom, the question came up, and this relates to assignment number 2, the pizza page. There's a part of the page, and let me just get rid of this stuff here, okay? There's a part of the page, and this is not the page, just so you know, this is just a demo I threw together. So in the page, there's kind of an area where you have to create an unordered list, right? There's the unordered list. And it has you like copy a list of all various pizza names that I put in there. And what I'm going to do for now is just use my friend Emmet, which you're learning about in this module. And I'm going to say, hey, Emmet, I want some lorem text. I want 10 words, and I want, 15 of those. And now I have 15. Pretend these are names of pizza places, right? And in Visual Studio Code, you know that you can wrap a particular line of text or multiple lines using Emmet wrap, right? You bring up the control panel, the command palette, Control-Shift-P, or Command-Shift-P on a Mac, and then you type wrap, if I can type, wrap, and then you type li, right? And it wraps it in an li tag. Now that's all well and good, but when you have a whole bunch of them like this, right? How do you wrap them all so you can save time, money, and your hair, in my case, right? So check this out. Bring up the command palette, Control-Shift-P on a PC, Command-Shift-P on a Mac. Now type wrap again, and instead of typing just the li, add an asterisk to it, and now they all get wrapped in list item tags. Huzzah! There you go, all right? So thanks to the student who asked about this in the remote class, and I learned something today.